Hey everybody, this is going to be a video on how to use the camera controller. There's your multi-view display, and here is your live display of what is actually being shown to the live stream. This is also the same thing. It is labeled program. It goes to the live stream, and this is the preview. You can preview what you want to look at before you send it to your program, and we will get to that in a minute. But for right now, we're going to learn to use the controller, RMC300C. You have to have the tablet up and running. As you saw in the video before, it shows you how to get it up and running and logged in. This has to stay, that display has to stay on, or this will not work. So as we have here, we have camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. For right now, is all we have in our system is in junction, camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. So what you have here is you select which camera you want, 1, 2, and 3. Go back to camera 1. This knob here is zoom in and out. As you can see, we're going to zoom in on camera 1, and we're going to zoom out. Go ahead and zoom back in. So you can, this is zoom out, so I can't get zoom out is this way, and zoom in is the other way. It's just a little rotating knob here. You can then take the joystick and it moves the camera around. You push it to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Up is up, down is down. Pretty simple. There are 3 buttons here, fast, medium, and slow. If it's set on medium, and the farther you move the joystick, the faster it will go, but it will only travel at the max speed of medium. Thus, if you go to slow and you put the joystick all the way to the left, it moves at that speed. If you go back to medium, you push it all the way to the right, it moves a lot faster. It's also touch sensitive, of course. The farther off center you move it, the faster it's going to go. Of course, if you go to fast, this buddy right here will get it, and that's all the way to the left and all the way to the right, and it travels extremely fast. So you have to, I usually leave it on medium. That's a good setting to leave it on. There are other things on here. Most of it's all set to auto. These lights are not good for my camera here. Here we go. We got auto iris. We have auto black or auto white balance. We got auto focus. This is a manual focus. You can focus the camera far and near, but you have to turn it off of autofocus. The other great thing about this device is you have presets 1 through 7, and then you can hit this preset shift button, and then press this, and this goes to 8 through 14. There are currently some loaded in here now. You got camera 1, preset 1, which is this, and it takes you right to it. Camera 1, preset 4 carries you to the left of stage. Preset 7 carries you to the right of stage. Preset 1 carries you back to the pulpit, and so forth. There's many of them on here that I've got saved already. Camera 2 is the same way. So we'll switch over to camera 2 here so you can see. Camera 2, preset 1 is here already. Preset 2, zoomed in. Preset 3 to the right. Preset 4 to the organ. Preset 5, wide open shot. Now these are set into a generic setting. They're not necessarily dedicated to only use it there. They're just to get to that spot faster. So you can do preset 1 and takes you in just a little bit to the whole stage. But such as like preset 3, carries you in here, but obviously that's probably too low if somebody's on stage, so you may have to raise it up, or if somebody's standing a little bit farther to the right, move it around. It's just a reference point is what that's used for. And that is how to use the camera controller.